Hey friends, if you have ever been confused by a career choice, then let me tell you about a field that is in crazy high demand and keeps growing. You are looking at it, it is data science. So let me tell you why data science? That's because data is the new gold and data scientists are the people who can turn this into a real treasure. Companies they need people like you to make sense of all data. Now let me tell you why data science rocks. Firstly, you can be a superhero. Imagine you using your skills to solve real world problems from predicting customer behavior to fighting fraud. You can be the hero with data powered solution. Next, and pretty important is you can make a difference. Data science is everywhere. It is used in fields like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and even saving our planet. You will have a huge hand in shaping our future. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is you can become future proof. The demand from data science is skyrocketing and it is a skill that will stay as relevant for years to come. And lastly, it unlock your earning potential. Data scientists are highly valued in today's world and you can see all the different salary trends and see why they are being paid the most. So, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to become data rockstar with us? Leave a comment below and also let us know what excites you most about the data science.